Welcome. In today's video, we'll guide you through the simple steps to remove a community photo on WhatsApp web using your PC. With the latest update, managing your community settings has never been easier. Let's get started. First, open WhatsApp web on your preferred browser. Make sure you're logged in with your account to access all your chats and communities. Next, look at the left side menu. Here, you'll find the Community option. Click on it to view all the communities you're a part of. From this list, select the community where you want to remove the photo. Once you've entered the chosen community, click on its name at the top of the screen. This will take you to the community's settings page, where you can manage various details about it. Now, locate the Change Community icon option. This is where you can edit or remove the current photo. Click on it to open a small menu with different options. Finally, select Remove Photo. A confirmation prompt will appear to ensure you want to proceed with this action. Confirm your choice, and just like that, the community photo will be removed. And there you have it. Removing a community photo on WhatsApp web is quick and straightforward. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like and share it with others who might find it useful. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.